All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Have you ever lost your way?
सर इतना गंदा
All right, इतना गंदा topic. Yeah. Na? Okay, no problem. No, that's. Don't worry, this is good. Don't worry, but don't say this to examiner. All right? Yeah, I can change the topic, but examiner will not change the topic. All right. Okay, I'll ask you some questions on my own. What's your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal of the day is lunch because I don't like to eat breakfast, so I eat lunch.
All right. Do you prefer to have lunch alone or with your friends or family?
When I'm alone, I prefer to eat my lunch alone. But when I'm with my family and with a group of friends, then I love to eat my meal with all of them.
Okay. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice with some salan.
Okay. That's good. Raita, shamiya.
सालन को सालन.
Yeah. सालन को और सालन ही कहेंगे और क्या कहेंगे? Exactly. Curry. Curry. C-U-R-R-Y. And
with raita.
With raita, salad.
Coke.
Okay. All right. You need to speak sentences, not words. Listen. I tell you, don't go for real answers. What's your favorite lunch? I usually love to eat sandwiches for lunch. That's okay. Sandwiches are fine. At least salad, raita and salan ka problem to nahi aayega, okay? So talk about simple things. Talk about English food. I love pizza. Pizza is my more favorite and I enjoy that for lunch. Something like that.
सर पेट जिससे फुल होगा वही दिमाग में आएगा ना.
हाँ ये भी है मजबूरी क्या करें. All right, let's go on. At what time do you usually have your lunch?
I usually have my lunch at 2 p.m. and because I get up late early in the morning.
I get up late early in the morning. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਕਰਾਓ. Okay, I get up late early in the morning. I get up late in the morning.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. That's okay. It's your life. You can get up late early in the morning. All right. So that's why. Okay. Do you prefer, last question, do you prefer to have lunch at home or in the restaurant?
I prefer to have my lunch at home because I am so comfortable at my home and
बाकी दी गल तुसी समझ गए होवोगे. Okay. All right. Thank you.
सर मैं सोची टांगे ऊपर करके
बैठ के आराम से. Exactly. IELTS का पेपर देने जाना, ट्रेन में सफर नहीं करना. Okay. All right. So please focus. थोड़ा सा focus करें and focus your English. English is good, but the way you are reacting to the questions, it should be something like serious. And don't do anything like this in actual exam. Right? Examiners are very gentle, very kind, and a monster is hidden in them. By the time you do like this, they will turn into a monster. One of my students, she went for speaking test. Examiner was, okay, all right, all right. At the end, she said, Madam, tell me my band score. She said, no, we are not allowed to do that. You may leave now. And the lady started crying like that. So don't ask anything from the examiners. They are gentle. Monster is hidden in them. Okay? Thank you so much.